My name is Lois Martin, and I'm a member of the Museum Board of Mariposa. We're talking about some of the baskets that are on display here, and these are mostly from the Miwok tribe here in Mariposa. I'm going to start with this basket here. This is a baby basket, which we call in our language a hika, but the babies were swaddled and wrapped in this basket. This basket here is what we would call a cooking basket. The acorn was mixed with water, and it would put in this basket and cooked with hot stones that were heated in a fire. People call it a porridge, but it would actually bubble like it was boiling until it was cooked, and then it would be served out of here. This basket here is the Trinket Basket. It's made for a gift probably, and it's got little quail feathers on it and yarn. It's a gift basket called a yarn basket. The basket makers all had their designs that they made, and they have a significance to the maker. It's just amazing how the basket makers can make the designs without having a pattern to follow. My grandmother would use either obsidian chip or a glass that she had used for many years, and she would strip her willow with it. And I sat many hours with her watching her do that. So these things not only were made for spears and things, but they were also just like a knife, a glass knife. This display here is just a small piece of the collection that is here at the Mariposa Museum. It's a good place to come and learn about the baskets and to see some of the utensils that my ancestors used.